This is a 2010 Nissan Versa. This compact has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, a security system, rear impact crumple zones, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, child seat safety anchors, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.